Yes guys, midday walk in the park. No love birds. Siguro mainit guys, pero pagkagabi marami dito guys, so hililera sila. Yan guys yung city landscape. Mga curb appeal. Napakaganda. Yeah. Relaxing. A walk in the park is easy and pleasant. Yes guys, bakit nga ba sarap mamasyal sa park? Kasi marami ditong mga puno, may mga halaman, the greenery. Yes. Mayroong healing space for individuals by giving them direct access to natural greenery. Whether you're in a picnic, a brisk walk, or walking your dog, parks and open spaces promote physical activity and improve mental health. Ang sarap dito guys, mag nature trip, mag muni, yan, palipas ng oras with the view, environment. Yes. Yes, thank you guys for watching my videos. See you on my next episodes. Bye. Until then.